Hey, how y'all doing? How you, Mama and them? So we're going riding and go check out the Anniston Museum of Natural History. I ain't never been. Thought I would go. So, but we're gonna make a stop first. So, welcome to Blue Bike Noise Channel. Run that intro. We got another red light. We might make it through there. There, hurry. Y'all run that intro. We'll see if we can't get through this light. GoPro, stop recording. This is historic downtown Anniston. Oh, I know what I was could do. Now I need to figure out where it's at and where to pull off at. He is gonna turn. We confirmed he was turning. Is it this road? Can we go across? Can we cut across? I believe we can. The Hotel Finale, whatever that sign says right there. Finale. But it's supposed to be one of the haunted hotels, haunted places here in Anniston, Alabama. Mr. Mustache should have came down here on his ghost tours. Dang, I thought I could go, but I see a truck coming. I'm going swinging in here, ain't you? Hotel Finale. All my life living here in Alabama, 205, you know, representing. You know who else is 205? That's TD 205. He lives over in Birmingham. But, Anniston City Hall. So that's where we're going. City of Anniston, remember model? I guess I should have cut off my beeper. Explore your world. I still got the Earth Dynamics. Rare Earth. Alright. Ooh. Fossil key to past. Ooh, dinosaur, prehistoric terrors. Oh, got a little step up. You'll be my dynamite. Drastic world. Neck bone connected to the head bone. We're in the cave life system. Watch your step. What is this? Oh. You can hide in here. What's in a cave? You can actually touch these because they slide tight, tight to the ceiling, and stalagmites. This one's good. Fishing wheel. The stalagmites grows on the ground and slide tight, hang tight to the ceiling.
That's a waterfall, stalagmites or stalactites, whatever they call it. It's calcium coming out of the ceiling. What's up there? Alabama sand cedar. Okay. We got foxes, crow, cedar glades. Could a woodchuck chuck if a wood could chuck wood? Excuse me, sir. How much wood can you chuck if you could chuck wood? Eat it that. Oh, a deer. He said we could. This is the kids' world, and we're gonna get out of here before the kids gets here. But you can go in a high pressure submarine. Boo, 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 boo. So this is what it would feel like if you was on a 4.4. 3, 2, 1. You can't. All right, 6 point. Shake, rattle, and roll. Let's just jump it up to 7.9. Here we go. Woo! Bobcat got him a quail. He got a mountain lion back up there. Not used to not having the beep. But this is a grizzly bear. You can see how tall he is compared to me. Oh. Ooh. So, yeah, that's a grizzly bear. Polar bear. Nope. The great mighty buffalo of the West. Present ho for war lights. I think we're in Africa now. Got the rhino, endangered species. Lions. And African wild dogs. Huh. Huh. African elephant. Water buffalo. Oh, Crocodile Dundee. A monkey. Mummy. Mommy. Alright, folks, I don't know. It was pretty neat. Something to do. Alright. Picked up some kids. I hope they was his.
So the Anniston Museum of Natural History. Come check it out someday. So we're gonna run by. So if you would, you go check out that video there, that one there. Hit the subscribe button over here and give me a thumbs up. We'll catch you on the next adventure. Daytona, look out, Daytona, here we come. We'll probably done be back. Never mind.